Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the world. My name is Agbo. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to teach you guys Igbo language. If you have interest in learning Igbo language, keep on coming to this channel. You must learn Igbo language. And African culture, Igbo culture, everything concerns Igbo and Africa in general. Come to this channel, Agbo, and it will be well with you. So today I want to show you guys or teach you guys how to say things in Igbo language. For example, I'm in the kitchen right now. I'm in my kitchen, and let's say I want to select few things to eat. Let's say you are staying with somebody and you have to speak Igbo with the person. So I want to take orange now. I have orange, I have groundnut, I have banana, I have drinks, I have other things in the fridge, in the kitchen as well. So if you want to select things, and how you are going to say it using Igbo language is this. Let's say you want to take orange and eat. You say, achọrọ iwere oroma lacha. Achọrọ iwere oroma lacha. So orange is oroma in Igbo language. If you want to take groundnut, you say, achọrọ iwere aghe. In Igbo language, we call it aghe. So if you go to some cities in Igbo, you can get another name for this groundnut. So we call it in my own side, in Enugu State, the particular side where I stay, in Enugu State, we call it aghe. Okay, groundnut is aghe in Igbo language. So achọrọ ịta aghe. I want to eat groundnut. Achọrọ ịta aghe. So that ịta means chew. I want to chew groundnut, but it means the same thing. You say achọrọ ịta aghe. It means I want to eat groundnut. So you're okay. Then, if you want to take banana, for example, maybe from your fridge, you say achọrọ ịta banana. So ịta aghe and ịta banana. Then oroma, achọrọ ịlacha oroma. Achọrọ ịlacha oroma. Okay. Achọrọ ịlacha oroma. I want to lick orange. Or achọrọ iwere oroma lacha. I want to take orange and lick. Then, if you want to, let's say you want to drink juice, you want to drink anything in the fridge. Let's say you want to drink juice, you want to drink yogurt. You can say achọrọ ịlacha yogurt. Achọrọ ịlacha yogurt. Or achọrọ ighu yogurt. Achọrọ ighu. Ighu means to drink. Okay, but ịlacha means to lick. Because actually yogurt, you can either lick it or you drink it. So achọrọ ighu yogurt. The same thing applies to water. If you want to drink water, you say achọrọ ighu mmiri. Water, right? So you say achọrọ ighu mmiri. Okay, then let's say you have egg, you want to eat egg. You say achọrọ ighe akwa. Achọrọ ighe akwa. Ighe means roasting. So achọrọ ighe akwa. I want to roast egg or fry egg. The same thing. So achọrọ ighe akwa. If you after roasting it, you can now say achọrọ ịta akwa nwere. Achọrọ ịta akwa nwere. I want to eat egg that I roasted or that I fried. Then which other things? Indomie. Okay. Achọrọ iri indomie. Achọrọ iri indomie. I want to eat indomie. So iri means to eat. Then nri means food. Achọrọ iri nri. Remember, achọrọ iri nri means I want to eat food. Okay, so achọrọ iri indomie means I want to eat indomie. Then if you have like rice, if you have like soup, if you have any other kind of food, you can say achọrọ iri rice. Achọrọ iri ofe. Achọrọ iri any other type of food, iri, okay, to eat. Okay, so then let's say in the course of trying to eat all those things, that let's say you want to eat food and you need plate, okay, you can say achọrọ m iwere efere. Achọrọ m iwere efere. Efere in Igbo language, efere means plate. So efere means plate. Achọrọ m iwere efere. Okay. Then if you need cup, achọrọ m iwere copu. Copu. We call it cup as well. Cup is English. We call it copu as well in Igbo. So everybody understands it. Achọrọ m iwere copu. Or you say achọrọ m iwere iko mmiri. Iko mmiri means cup of water. So iko means cup. Okay. But if you call it copu, everybody understands it as well. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for coming around. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Thank you and God bless you all. Bye.